guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS haul. I cannot believe that we just have just one Sunday left in this year. Well, I wish everyone the best as we finish up the year, and let's go see what deals I can find and what coupons and CRTs I'll be using. My first transaction, I'll be using a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT I received in my email. The first deal I'll add to it will be on this buy 2 Gillette or Venus razor, you get $10 back. The first item I'll pick up will be the Gillette Mark 3, priced at $9.99, and I'll use a $3 digital coupon for this. The next item will be on the Venus razor, priced at $9.99, and I'll use a $3 coupon from December P&G. My store still accepts that, so make sure it's working for you as well. Both items will come up to $19.98. If you don't have any next purchase CRT and you use both coupons, you pay $13.98, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each, which I still think is a good price for both items. But let me go pick up the rest of the items that will get me to $30. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Neutrogena Cosmetics. It says any, so when you buy 2, you get $6 back. I'll pick up 2 of this oil-free eye makeup remover, priced at $4.99. That's the cheapest I can find. You can pick this one up or you can pick up the facial wipes. Those are the cheapest Neutrogena item on the cosmetics aisle. 2 of them will come up to $9.98. I'll use the $4 instant coupon we received last week. I printed mine out, that's why I'm able to use it this week because it expired yesterday and my store is still accepting it. That will bring it down to $5.98 if you're doing this by itself, and I will get $6 back, making both items free and a 2-cent money maker. Let me get everything I'll be using in this transaction, then I'll show you the coupons and the CRTs I'll be using. These are all the items I'll be picking up with the 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT. I'll be using a $3 digital coupon for both the Venus and the Gillette Mark 3. And for the Neutrogena, I have the $4 instant coupon. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt to show you how everything worked out. I'm back with my receipt, and as you can see where it says coupon applied, I used one of the $3 coupon from December P&G because the digital one wasn't attaching to my Gillette Mark 3, so I ended up using one from the December P&G, but it's still the same like I explained before. The 5 off of 30 came off, and the $4 for the Neutrogena also came off. I ended up using $11.16 extra care box, paid $3.80 out of pocket, and I got back my $10 for buying 2 of the Gillette, and I also got back $6 for buying 2 of the Neutrogena. With the 5 off of 30 in this transaction, all this ended up being free and a $1.04 money maker. My next transaction will be on the Nivea body lotion. It's on buy 2, you get $5 back. I'll pick up the 8.4 ounces, priced at $6.59, and I'll pick up the 16.9 ounces, also priced at $9.59. I'll use a 4 off of 2 paper coupon we got from 1210 Save Insert. We have another $2 that will double dip and take off extra $2. I have 3 good CRTs that will apply to this. I have a 3 off of 10 cosmetics or hand and body lotion CRT. And I have another $2 email CRT that will work with this also. I have a 32% off CRT that will also take off $1.66 after all the coupons and CRT apply. Also remember that when you're using a percentage off coupon, you don't want to use extra care box, you want to pay out of pocket. But you can still use extra care box if you don't want to pay that much, it will just bring it down. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. The 4 off of 2 came off, the $2 double dipped, 3 off of 10 came off, and the $2 email CRT. The 32% took off $1.66, leaving me to pay $3.52. These 2 items ended up being free and only $1.48 money maker. Transaction I'll be doing will be on the paparazzi nail. It's not giving back any extra care box, but I received a 3 off of 2 CRT. I'm picking up the clearance ones priced at $1.49. With the 3 off of 2 is going to come out free. Adding the Lucky Charms cereal to this transaction, it's on sale for $1.99, and we have a 1 off of 2 digital coupon that apply to it. I'll end up paying $2.98, making each one just $1.49. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, everything worked out fine. The $1 off of 2 came off. The 3 off of 2 also came off. I used $2 extra care box, paid 98 cents out of pocket. I have a 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT I got at the end of my receipt that I'll be using with the spend 30 get $10 back. The first item we'll pick up will be the Tide detergent, priced at $12.99, and I'll be using a $3 digital coupon for it. The next item will be the Gain Fling, priced at $5.49, and there is also a $1 digital coupon that will also attach to it. To get to 30, I'll pick up the Downy, priced at $12.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon that will also attach to this. So you don't even need any paper coupon for this particular transaction. All 3 items will now bring me up to $31.47. If you don't have any next purchase CRT, you end up paying $25.47 and you get $10 back, making all 3 items $15.47 or $5.16 each, which I still think is a good stock-up price. Let me go pick up the rest of the items that will get me to $70. The next day we'll be adding to this will be on the Clearer hair color. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $4 back. The ones I'll be picking up will be priced at $8.99. I'll pick 2 of them up. And I'll use a BOGO coupon in our app. Everybody's supposed to have that. And it will take off $7.99. It will also double dip with another 5 off of 2 in our app. So this is all digital deal. And you end up paying just $4.99 if you don't have any next purchase CRT, making both items 99 cents or 49 cents each. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Colgate toothpaste. It's on spend 10, you get $5 back. I'll be picking up 2 of this Colgate Optic White, priced at $5.19 each. 2 of them will bring it up to $10.38. That's over the $10. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon everybody received today. And we also have a $1 digital coupon that will double dip and apply to this deal. If you're doing this by itself, you end up paying $5.38 and you get $5 back, making both items 38 cents or 19 cents each. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Dove hair care. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $2 back, and it's on sale for buy 1, get 1 half off. I'll pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and I'll be using the 2 off of 2 instant coupon we received last week. And I also have 2 75 cents coupon I got from Dove email list. All you have to do is sign up on their website and they will randomly send you coupons. Each coupon they send you, you can always print them out 2 times. After you print them out the second time, it will not allow you to print again. That means you've reached your limit. This will bring it down to $4.29 and I'll get $2 back. And I also submit to Fetch and I'll receive a 2,500 points, which is $2.50. That will end up making both items free. To complete this transaction, I'll be picking up 2 of the Cheerios and I'll be using a $1 off of 2. Let me gather all the items and I'll show you what I'm picking up. Here is everything I'll be picking up with the 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT. 2 digital coupons will be coming off for the Clearer hair color, the BOGO one, and the 5 off of 2. For the Dove, this is the $2 instant coupon we got last week that will apply to it, and the 2 75 cents coupon I got from Unilever email. We have a $1 off of 2 for the Cheerios that will bring it down to $2.98. And for the Colgate, there is a 4 off of 2 and another $1 that will double dip. There is a $3 for the Tide and a $2 for the Downy and also $1 for the Gain Flings. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt to show how everything worked out. I'm back with my receipt and it worked out very fine. The coupons, all the CRTs, everything came off. That's why I'm zooming in. That way you can see only where the coupons are applied because this receipt is a little bit long. I ended up using $31.35 extra care box, paid $1.75 out of pocket, and I got back, let me move over. I got back $5 for buying 2 of the Colgate toothpaste, got back $10 for the spend 30 get 10, and I also got back $4 for buying 2 of the Clearer hair color, and I got back $2 for buying 2 of the Dove hair care, any Dove hair care, and I'll be submitting my receipt to Fetch. I already did, and I got back 25,000 points. That's $2.50. And this is where my video ends for this week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.